Garmin is a well-known name for smartwatches and outdoor tools. Over the years, the company has made watches for runners, divers, pilots, and boaters. One of the popular watch series from Garmin is the Quatix, which is designed mainly for people who love being on the water, especially for sailing and fishing. Many Garmin fans are waiting for the release of the new model, the Garmin Quatix 8. In today's video, we'll discuss the expected release date, design, features, and what makes the Quatix 8 so special. The Quatix series is Garmin's unique range of smartwatches created for people who spend time on boats or near the sea. These watches offer helpful tools for water activities, including tide data, autopilot control, and boat speed. The last model, Quatix 7, was well liked for its durable body, strong GPS, and unique features made for boating. With the Quatix 8 coming soon, users are expecting even more improvements. The Quatix watches are usually based on the same design as the Phoenix watches but with a more marine-friendly style. This means the Quatix 8 will likely have a strong and waterproof body, with a metal bezel that could be made from stainless steel or titanium. The display will probably be protected with scratch-resistant glass. It might also come in different sizes, like a standard and a larger version, to fit various wrist sizes. The colors may follow a water or ocean theme, possibly using blue, silver, or light gray tones. A big question is whether Garmin will use an AMOLED display or keep the older MIP memory in pixel screen. AMOLED screens are brighter and show colors better, making maps and data easier to read. Since the Quatix 7 Pro came with an AMOLED display and got good feedback, there is a strong chance the Quatix 8 will have one, too. This will help users see better in sunlight and also during nighttime use. The Quatix 8 is expected to continue offering tools for boat users. One helpful feature will be autopilot control, which lets you steer the boat right from your wrist. It may also include an alarm that alerts you if your boat's anchor drifts. Another expected feature is the boat data display, which shows speed, depth, and wind conditions using the NMEA 2000 lowercase. The watch may also show tide information, which helps you know when tides are high or low. For fishing, it could help you keep track of good spots. And if you find a great location on the water, you can mark it with GPS using waypoint marking. Like other Garmin smartwatches, the Quatix 8 will support fitness and health tracking. It will likely come with an Elevate General 5 heart rate sensor to track your heartbeat during rest and activity. It may also include a pulse ox sensor to check oxygen levels in your blood, valid at high altitudes or during sleep. Sleep tracking will help you understand how well you are resting each night. Body battery will show your energy levels throughout the day, and stress tracking will let you see how relaxed or tense you are. You'll also get several sports modes like running, cycling, swimming, and strength workouts, making it a full fitness watch. Besides marine and health features, the Quatix 8 will include general smartwatch tools. It is expected to support GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo, which help you track your location accurately. You will likely receive smart notifications such as calls, messages, and alerts from your apps directly on the watch. Garmin Pay may be available for contactless payments, which lets you buy things without carrying your wallet. You may be able to store and play music from popular apps like Spotify or Amazon Music. The watch will probably support Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so that you can sync data easily to your phone or the Garmin Connect app. Garmin watches are known for their good battery life, and the Quatix 8 should continue this trend. Even with an NMEA 2000 lowercase, you may get 10 to 14 days of use in regular smartwatch mode. If you use GPS often, the battery might last 40 to 50 hours, depending on your settings. You can use battery saver mode for long boat trips, which helps stretch the battery life even more. This makes it reliable for people who don't always have access to charging during outdoor or boating trips. The Garmin Quatix 8 is expected to launch around late 2025, following Garmin's usual release schedule. Garmin typically releases the main Fenix series first and then introduces special versions like the Quatix a few months later. For example, the Fenix 7 came out in January 2022, and the Quatix 7 followed in April. In 2024, the Fenix 8 was released in August, so a late 2025 release for the Quatix 8 seems likely. As for the price, the Quatix 8 will probably cost more than the Fenix 8 because it includes extra marine-focused features like autopilot control, tide data, and NMEA 2000 support. The Quatix 7 Pro started at $999 to $1,199, so we can expect the Quatix 8 to begin at around $1,091 or more, especially for models with titanium or sapphire materials. While it may seem expensive, the watch is built for boaters, sailors, and people who want strong marine tools in a rugged smartwatch, making it worth the price for its target users. The Quatix 8 is mainly made for people who are often on the water. It's a great fit for boaters, sailors, and fishermen. Divers who don't need a full dive computer may also find it useful. Outdoor lovers who enjoy water sports will benefit from the marine tools. It's also a great everyday watch for people who want a tough smartwatch with health, fitness, and marine features all in one. Even if you are not on a boat every day, it can still be a fantastic all-around smartwatch for adventure. The Garmin Quatix 8 is shaping to be a smart, strong, and handy watch for marine lovers. Based on Garmin's release history, it is expected to launch in late 2025. It will likely come with an AMOLED screen, powerful battery life, complete marine tools, and features supporting health and outdoor activities. With its stylish look and innovative features, it's not just for the water, it's a watch you can wear daily. If you love boating or spend time near the water, this might be your best smartwatch. It offers tools that help with sailing, fishing, and exploring, along with everyday health tracking and smartwatch support. So that was all about the Garmin Quatix 8. Thanks for watching.